time I post a new video. Today we're making another kids-friendly video. Okay, so we're gonna make healthy rainbow popsicle. And the things that we need are kiwi, strawberry, is this pineapple?
Mango,
Carrots, orange, it's not cut yet, so you got some berries and bananas.
yes. Basically, guys, you can use any vegetables or fruits that you have in hand. If you have blueberry or raspberry, that's great. You can have then purple effect on your popsicle. But we don't have here and it's super expensive, so we decided to omit that.
Forgot to tell you that we are gonna eat honey. This is
Yogurt,
yogurt
and of course, some popsicle.
Balls. So now we're gonna put the fruits one by one inside of the blender. First we're gonna put the strawberry and
Cherry,
cherry inside of it. How many? All of them?
all of it.
Oh my god. Now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of yogurt and some water. First bag of yogurt is that enough?
Yes. One more spoon. And a little bit of water. Okay, I think that's enough. Now you can open the blender and blend it all in.
Okay, but that was 2 tablespoons of honey.
You can put 2 tablespoons of honey. It's optional. If you don't like it, then just leave it out. But we found the strawberry a little bit sour, so we decided to put a little bit of honey inside.
The strawberry sour. We are gonna pour the
Yeah,
sauce inside of the bowl again.
Yes, we're gonna put the mixture into the bowl and set this aside, and we're gonna wash the blender and we're gonna mix some of the fruits.
So now we are gonna put the banana in the mango inside of the blender. Mommy. Oh, mommy. Where's my sister doing now? Oh my. Mommy, this one. There we go. Now I'm gonna put it in the bowl again. Carrots and juice of orange.
Yes, we're gonna blend carrots and a juice of 1 orange.
Now I'm gonna put the orange juice in the blender. Pew pew! Oh my gosh, I got orange everywhere on me. Floppy flop. Carrots in. What was that sound? Okay, I think my sister is supposed to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna bless it off. Now we're gonna pour the juice into the bowl. Again. Kiwis. Kiwis. And da-da-da-da-da-da. And yogurt. Okay, you have a song or not? Ooh, that's so big. Splash. That's really thick. That's thick.
And water also.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you have one. Looks like boba tea.
You can use also spinach together with your kiwi if you want more.
Looks like boba tea. Is it not like boba tea?
Yes, pour it now.
No, don't. Gosh. Now, with all the juice that's mixed up, we're gonna put it inside of the popsicle mold.
Yeah, we're gonna scoop 1 tablespoon of the blended mixture, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon each of the popsicle mold.
So mix. Now we're gonna put the popsicle stick back in. Put all the mold in. Now put all the juice
Inside the mold, we're gonna pop the popsicle sticks there. And we're gonna put that in the freezer and let it set overnight. Gonna freeze overnight. Your sister can help you. She can put others. The two.
All done. So now I'm gonna try it. My sister's trying already because she really wants to eat now. Now I'm gonna try it. Oh wait. Okay, let's go. This one. Oh, that tastes good.
Aisha, how about you? Taste it.
It's
Popsicle.
red.
Yes. Okay, taste. Mmm, is it yummy?
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold.
Cold mommy.
Okay.
The yellow one
Try.
I think the yellow one is the
It's
best
good?
one. The yellow one.
Aisha,
The yellow part is the best one. The bottom one.
that's
I like,
banana.
I like that.
Yes. Try it, Aisha. Come on. Mmm, yummy. Is it good?
What are those seeds? What are those? I mean, they're good. What are those seeds?
From the kiwi.
Oh, okay. Like glasses. For watching this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this video, turn the notification every time I post a new video. This is Sophia here, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.